Good afternoon, everyone. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. So what has Kevin been doing today? Not too much. Been inside most of the day, pottering about, doing this, doing that. I had some nice lunch. I had some leftover cowpat, which is rice. I guess you could call it nazaguri in England. You would say rice, vegetables, and a little bit of chicken and things like that. So I had a little bit of that, some som-tom and chicken for lunch. Very yummy. So I had that, and then I've been doing some artwork, playing with art, and different little bits and pieces like that. And then I put the camera outside to see if I could get the ghost bird. And if you looked at the thumbnail, you'd notice I got him. So it's funny to watch because you can see him. I didn't put it all in, but you can see him walking around, seeing if it's safe. And actually, there was a few of those in the garden. You know, the budgies lay an egg, just like chickens. They lay an egg, but they don't necessarily. It's not necessarily fertile, and they don't sit on it. They just drop it. So the big bird likes to steal other people's eggs. So I'm thinking I'm going to take them all out and put them on the ground and let them have them. But I'll show you when I've done what I'm going to do. So I think it'd be really cool to, you know, how to make like a National Geographic video clip with it. But anyway, I got him on camera. So have a look. so I hope you enjoyed that. I got him. I told you I'd get him. The ghost bird, we'll call him, because he's like very hard to record. But I put the camera outside and put some little bit dog food. About a week ago I started this, and I just got him this morning. I looked out the window and I knew the camera was running, and I seen him. Oh, I got him! So I come away and let him finish what he was doing, and then went and got the camera and got it off. What they say? Good things come to those who wait or persist or whatever, right? Well, they came. So I'm going to keep doing it. I got a few more ideas on what to do, so I'm going to try them, and if they come together I can share them with you. Crazy Kevin. What did you think of that sunset from last night? Purple sky, amazing. Look, so I got that picture and I played with it a little bit, you know, cropped it to fit in nicely, and I thought, hey, that's a really amazing sunset. So I just wanted to show for those who don't watch to the end, you can see it. It's amazing, isn't it? Beautiful. So I'm going to sign off, guys, and say good night. Look after yourselves. Buckets of blessings. Rivers are peace, joy, and kindness. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. All the best, guys. Good night.